Have you ever thought about starting an export business from home? It's a venture that can be both exciting and profitable. The concept is simple: source products domestically and sell them to international markets. But how do you begin? What are the steps to ensure that your business is set up for success? Worry no more. In this video, we will walk you through a comprehensive step by step guide to kickstart your export business journey. Here is a step by step guide to starting an export business from home. First and foremost, your journey begins with research and planning. Embarking on export business from home requires thorough investigation. It's about knowing your market, your products, and your competitors. The knowledge forms foundation of your journey. Think of it as a compass guiding you towards your niche and target audience. Once you have gathered your data, it's time to strategize. Construct a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, your strategies, and your financial projections. This is your roadmap to success, a blueprint of your business future. But the journey doesn't stop there. Understanding the rules of the game is equally important. You are not just starting a business, you are stepping into the world of international trade. Familiarize yourself with the legal requirements for exporting from your country and obtain necessary licenses, permits, and registrations. These are your passports to the global marketplace, ensuring your venture is both legal and protected. Next, we move on to the product selection, supply sourcing, and market research. This is where your business starts taking shape. What products will you export? The answer lies in the market demand, profitability, and your personal interests or expertise. Be sure to consider factors like sourcing, production, quality, and regulations. Once you have selected your products, you need to find reliable suppliers. This isn't a quick process. You will need to research potential suppliers, request samples, and negotiate terms and prices. The goal is to establish strong relationship with your suppliers to ensure quality and consistency. Now it's time to dive deep into market research. You will need to identify potential buyers and competitors in your target markets. Explore online marketplaces, trade directories, and industry publications. Analyze market trends, consumer preferences, and pricing strategies. Remember, the more you know about your market, the better your chances of success. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential buyers and competitors in your target markets. Now that the groundwork is laid, it's time for branding, building your online presence and marketing. Your brand is more than just a name and a logo, it's your business identity, the image you present to the world. So make it memorable. Invest in professional design for your branding materials and product packaging. This is not an area to skimp on. Next up, your online presence. In this digital age, a professional website is no longer optional. It's your virtual storefront open to the world 24/7. Make it user friendly and search engine optimized. Incorporate e commerce functionality for smooth online transactions. Finally, your marketing strategy. This is your game plan to reach your target audience. Harness for power of social media, email marketing, and content marketing. Explore online advertising opportunities, and don't forget the power of networking. Attend trade shows and exhibitions. Utilize social media, email marketing, content marketing, and online advertising to reach your target audience. Finally, we have logistics, shipping, and customer support. An efficient logistics and shipping process is crucial. You need to fulfill orders and deliver products promptly. Opt for reliable shipping partners and explore cost effective options. Get familiar with export documentation, customs procedures, and international shipping regulations. And of course, your customer support should be stellar. Respond swiftly to inquiries, resolve issues, and ensure a seamless buying experience. This is how you build your trust and loyalty. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. By following these steps, you can successfully launch and grow your export business from home. Remember, research, planning, product selection, supply sourcing, branding, and customer service are key. Like the video and subscribe to this channel to get more insightful videos in future. Leverage your passion, skills, and resources to achieve international success.